What's up, peoples? So, I hope everybody is fine. And today, we are going to make table napkins. Just stay tuned. The style it is called Bishop. So, maybe somebody might want to make. So, this is my napkin. And I will just show you. It is just something simple here. You just turn like this one. You make sure that you turn. I hope you can see here. You fold this, so you will just see how it is done. You just fold like this. In this end, you bring this one, and the other one this one. You turn up, you turn like this, then this you put here inside, and the other one you put there inside, and you end up having something like this. You open from the bottom. It's look like that. It will be looking like that.